Got a PCG file for your Korg keyboard? This contains your synth programs combinations and drum kits, the sounds that define your musical palette. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load and manage these synthesizer patch files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium PCG file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. PCG files are program and combination files from Korg synthesizers and workstations containing sound patches, multi-timbral setups, drum kit configurations, and global settings. They store the complete user sound library for Korg instruments, including Triton, Kronos, M3, and OASYS series keyboards. Korg PCG program files use a proprietary binary format, storing oscillator configurations, filter parameters, amplifier envelopes, effect chain definitions, modulation routings, arpeggiator patterns, and combination layer assignments. The format varies between Korg instrument models and firmware versions. The developer of Korg Triton non-Trinity synthesizers, Korg Inc., created the original specifications for PCG. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows supports basic playback for many formats, though deeper editing depends on compatible audio tools. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the PCG file and choose Open With. If Korg Triton Trinity Synthesizers is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your PCG file is not opening yet, that is normal. Due to the specificity of the PCG format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, loading on Korg hardware. Transfer the PCG file to a USB storage device or SD card formatted for your Korg instrument. Insert the media and navigate to the instrument's media mode or disk utility. Select Load and browse to the PCG file. Choose to load all data or select specific programs combinations and drum kits for import. Next, managing with Korg Editor. Install the Korg Editor librarian software for your specific instrument model. Connect via USB MIDI and use the editor to browse, organize, and transfer PCG sound data between your computer and the keyboard. The editor provides visual editing of sound parameters and library management tools. Finally, converting between models. PCG files are generally model-specific and not directly compatible across different Korg instruments. Use the Korg conversion utilities, if available for your target instrument, or manually recreate sounds by noting parameter values from the source instrument's display and programming them on the destination keyboard. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.